Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be tonight. It's all I need, somebody that'll only care for me, somebody I can give time and ring, someone in this puzzle who can be my missing piece. You know I don't need anything else this Christmas Eve. Just want someone to be with under the shining tree. Hear the sleigh bells ring and the caroling. Under the mistletoe, under the moonlight, we can take it slow, I can be your only guide. Don't need to think twice when I got you by my side. With you everything feels just right. Didn't want to admit that I needed this wish. I know you got a lot on your list, but all I'm asking is Santa, tell me when you show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Santa, tell me when you show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be tonight. Tonight.
So cool. It's icy.
But we're not doing that now. We're going straight down. Yeah, when we go down, our arms come out. They come in line with our shoulders only. Straight out to the side. 2 counts, we go all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Good. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, let's go. Let's burn it out here. Down. 1 count. We go to our highest point. Down. Highest point, down. Good. Good. For 4, 3, 2, hold that plank for 8, 7, 6, 5. Stop. In here, thank your bodies for working so incredibly hard.
Okej. Ska nog den hålen ha vägen. Nice lights. Hola. Reindeer, moose. Welcome. Wide gifts for your wide friends and family. Freshly baked cinnamon rolls. You can have little something. Huh? You like to Little. What are they? Are they pork color? Okay, okay. Who make it custard? It took almost 3 to 4 weeks for this to be here, but I'm happy that finally it is here. So let the skincare start. Whew. It's been a nice day today. It's cold, it snowed last night, but I almost cancelled my gym today because I was like, it's snowing, so maybe I should stay at home. But by the time I wanted to cancel, it was already too late, which I like. I like that it was too late for me to cancel. So that meant that I went out today, went to the gym, took time to go to Gamla Stan and have some coffee. And now I'm back home. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of you. Hey doll.